fork, 1 piece of garlic. Wala kayong blender, pwede ka gumamit ng blender. So, 10 minutes guys. Yeah. 5 minutes. The best. 1 kilo of ground pork, 1 piece of onion, 1 piece of garlic, it's around 50 grams. Need some green onions, celery. Then for our seasoning, I will write it down, the description, the ingredients, so it's easy for you guys to follow. So ang gagawin ko dito, lahat na ingredients like garlic, onion, carrots, celery, biblend ko guys. Yung shrimp, isasama na natin yung shrimp sa pag-blend. Please keep on watching paano natin gagawin. Pwede itong pang business kung gusto nyo. In other video, I'm gonna show you how to make a siomai sauce. Okay? Yung mixture natin sa ating siomai. Ito yung ating wrapper. Siomai wrapper, clean wrapper. Simulan na natin ang pag-wrap natin guys. Yan. So, just put like that. And then, so pang business ang gawin niyo. So we will finish the wrapper and then we will steam it. Ganito lang ginawa natin hanggang matapos. Ulit-ulit ko lang ginawa. So, ito na, ating finished product. Luluto na natin to. So, meron lang ako hiniwa dito ng bell pepper. At ano lagay nyo? Carrots, bell pepper. Ito bell pepper, red and yellow. So, pwede natin ilagay sa gitna. Looks more presentable. Lalo na pag business. So, yung pepper na lang ang nilagay ko. You can this yung sa natin steamer, I need to maliit. So, ito na yan guys, hindi nagkasya. So now we're gonna put here in our steamer. So now, na-arrange na natin yung ating pork siomai sa ating steamer. So i-on natin. Lulutuin lang natin ng 20 minutes. Ito yung timer. So i-ano lang natin ng 20 minutes guys. Yan. I-set natin sa 20 minutes. So yun guys, malapit na maluto ang ating siomai. Last 2 minutes na lang. So antayin natin na maluto. Tapos i-cool down natin for about 5 minutes para hindi masira yung wrapper. Bango guys. So tapos na. So i-cool down lang natin saglit para hindi masira yung wrapper. So yun ang technique guys. Pagkaluto, huwag nyo kaagad kukunin kasi masisira yung wrapper. Antayin na natin mga 5 to 7 minutes. Plus yung ating siomai sauce. There we go. Ito lang ating pork siomai. Yung sauce guys, do a separate video just on how to make a siomai sauce. So yun guys, ating titikman ang ating pork siomai. Pwede pang business. The best. One more. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Any suggestion, just feel free to comment below. For the ingredients, I will write it down in the comment section or in the description. Have a great day everyone.